What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Roosevelt here. So I got a couple of bad news. Some reason I deleted my head job videos and stuff that, but I'm just gonna show you where I'm at. And then I also did my valve cover too, so then I was gonna post it up, but I lost all the videos for it. But then I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. So check it out, check it out. I'm gonna show you guys. My head is back, so definitely I'll show you guys what I am doing with it right now. So I taped up the port. Don't want the port get dusty in there, so because I still got a lot of things to do, still gotta get the cams in there. I'm running the Skunt 2 dual valve springs with the Ferrera heavy duty turbo valves, and a lot of CNC work on it too. So what do you guys think? Still gotta put my rockers and everything back on. I'm gonna be installing the blocks lost motion, doing a little cheap stuff. What's gonna do Skunt 2, but then I mean they're about the same price to do the same thing. But then yeah, alright guys, here's my valve cover. So it looks orange, but it's not. It's wrinkled red, but then it looks orange for some reason. But then you guys ever seen this right here? They do make NA ports that you can just mount it in. So what I did was cut the bottom of the baffle a little bit and then drill it through and then just mount it on there. So it actually turned out pretty clean. Check it out. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Just like that, guys, it's on there. Just gotta loosen up the valve lash and get my cams mounted on there. But first thing first is gonna lube up the system real quick. Okay guys, so I got my rockers in. I'm about to undo my valve lashes and then loosen it as much as I can, because I'm gonna be putting in my camshaft. So I don't want the valves to be hitting my pistons, because I'm running high lift valves and the cam has not been degreed. But check it out, this is what I have: extended studs for the exhaust and extended stud for the intake manifold. I'll put a description where I picked these up. I believe this is from 1320 or PLM, so I'll put in the description. These are the Power Division GSC T1 camshaft turbo. So it's a high lift camshaft. During the Gates blue timing belt. Skunt 2 cam gears. Looks pretty nice. Man, I am gonna be doing the ATI super damper too. So okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. So the studs with the nylon washers are gonna be for the intake manifold. Check it out. So I'm not doing these are for looks. These are gonna be for the ultra intake manifold, because I'm gonna be running the thermal gasket on it, so it's gonna space it out a lot. But then my manifolds on back order, so I have to wait. I already contact Ford Piston, see if they have the Skunt 2 Ultra Race intake manifold, and then if they do, I'm gonna be ordering for them and have a machine by them too. So we shall see what will happen. sticks out pretty long, guys. But it should clear everything though. Okay guys, so got some bad news. Test fit the turbo on there. Looks like the tensioner does not want to fit on. So I guess the tension is going to have to come off, and it's going to be a giveaway soon. So if anybody's running all motor, this is going to be for you guys. Or lower mount turbo, it's going to be for you guys.